This video we're going to talk about string methods. We saw some basic string methods. Let's go a little bit more into that. So these are a bunch of them. These are a bunch of string methods which you could use in your programs. Let's take some examples right here. Shall we? All right, let's see. Okay, you see the code on the left. We have a bunch of methods. The capitalize method, center method, count method, and upper method. And you can see the output on the right. So basically the capitalize method takes the string, changes the first character. Like, I have a string Python with P lowercase. It converts it into P uppercase and prints it. Doesn't do anything to the string, as you can see in line number 4. Line number 3 makes the first character as capital P and prints it. Line number 4, just to tell you that the original string remains the same. So that's still Python. The center method gives you about 50 characters. You can position it by the kind of character you want by giving it the character here. So I give a colon. So you have all these characters, Python followed by colons. If you don't say anything, this character, it's going to take a space by default. The count method counts the number of strings. In this case, I have a single character I'm searching for, T. So T occurs one time in the word Python. So it prints 1 here. And upper is a method which converts your string to uppercase, as you can see it here. So I have a lowercase Python and I use the upper method and it converts it and prints it as capital Python. So basic strings methods, there are lots and lots of them. So we'll do more in subsequent videos, but this is kind of the gist of it. A lot of useful ones here in strings. So hopefully you guys liked it. Let me know, comments, like, subscribe if you wish to. All right, thanks, bye.